Hello, Slimers! Is anyone in the chat? Guys, I'm happy to see that chat is as sane as ever. I'm so happy to see it. Let's go. A very, very special stream here today, and I'm very excited. He looks confused. Huh? Who does? What? I guess you'll see soon enough. Blazin, thank you for the wee swab. Your jumper is so nice, King. Thanks, Brit. Because that's not, I like to say, sweater. Crafting? Has everyone been having a good week? It's currently Tuesday. Confused streamer goes live, unaware of the passage of time, and always a little scared. Thank you guys for saying my sweater is nice. I ordered it for Halloween and I got it too late, so now I wear it every day and I am free from the constraints of holidays. Hello, Mr. Funnyman. Where did your spectacles go? Well, you know what? I decided I was going to stop wearing spectacles and start putting them on. That was awesome, guys. That was sick. That was cool. That was so cool. That show is so good. I loved that show. I love that show. It's a great show. Slime, you stress me out. Get the fuck away from me, you swamp creature. You absolutely... Okay, chat scrolled. But what the hell was that? What the hell was that? Such an aggressive message. It kept going. It actually kept going. So let's keep the subs coming, and hopefully I won't have to be Inner Banks. Just a little joke about committing robbery for you to start off the stream. Joke, 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 joke. Charlie, is that real? Is what real? I don't know. I don't know what that was. Guys, someone send me that clip. Guys, if that looked as cool as it felt, we're gonna be hitting the front page of Reddit. Foxy got him. I actually haven't even watched Foxy in a while. So it's nothing. It's so nothing. There's no other. Charlie, what are you getting us for Valentine's Day? Have you guys ever heard of brown noise and a vacuum cleaner at the same time? Okay, I'll be the first to say, I just shit myself. And that is actually their 5th most played song. Their 4th is this. Oh, I think I got a coin. I think I actually got a coin. Sorry, I think I got a coin. I closed it on accident, out of habit, immediately. Chat. But we will create something beautiful. The battle is not over. The battle is Tubbo. Let's raid the Tubster.